Okay, we're going to be doing the Tibiofibular joint, or the fibular head. So find the joint line of the knee, palpate down, and you'll move inferior and you'll find the fibular head. And if I want to do a sustained grade 2 anterior glide, I'm going to place my thumb in behind the fibular head and move anteriorly. I can feel a nice little bit of movement there. If I want to do a posterior glide, I'm going to find the anterior surface of the fibular head and move posteriorly using my index fingers. Sustained grade 2. Taking up the slack and feeling joint to joint movement. Okay? Okay, we're going to do a sustained grade 2 in the Talocalcaneal joint. So what I need to do is I need to make sure that my right hand, the right part of my thumb area, web of the hand, is over top of the talus, and the other left hand is over top of the calcaneus. And I'm going to stabilize with my right hand and apply an anterior glide with my left hand on the calcaneus, moving forward on the talus. Okay? Good. Okay, so we're going to do an anterior glide on the talocalcaneal joint. I'm going to make sure that my web of my hand is over top of the talus head, the talus, and my left hand is over top of the calcaneus. So I'm going to stabilize using my right hand over the talus, and I'm going to apply a forward pressure on the calcaneus, doing a sustained grade 2, an anterior glide of the calcaneus on the talus. Okay. Okay, we're going to do medial and lateral glides of the talocalcaneal joint again. I'm going to grasp over the talus and the medial aspect of the foot, and my thumb is on the lateral aspect just about where the malleolus is. I'm going to grasp so this is a stabilizing hand. This hand, the left hand, is going to move the calcaneus in a medial direction, and now in a lateral direction. Yeah, medial and lateral, sustained grade 2. Okay. Okay, we're going to do an inferior superior glide on the midtarsals. So what I want to do is take my right hand and grasp it over the talus, the talar head. I can feel the navicular tubercle here. I can place my hand just below the navicular tubercle and do an inferior glide, or I should say, an inferior glide and a superior glide, stabilizing with my right hand over the talus, and inferior and superior glide, sustained grade 2. So that's the midtarsals.